that. Okay, so here we have got the machine. This is the machine that we have published for the user IT01. Into the users, you will get this username and the host name of this machine. It should be IT01, what we have selected earlier, right? Any question in that? In a similar way, we can run the applications like remote desktop.
Sorry, actually your voice is breaking.
Or the WordPad is still breaking.
Your voice is not coming properly, sir.
Yeah, actually there might be some issue with my network actually. So okay, you guys are available now, so just give me a moment and let me fix my internet problem, then we will connect, okay? In 5 or 10 minutes, okay? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, but the voice is breaking your side.
So please allow me 5 or 10 minutes to fix that internet issue, then I will share new invite to you guys, okay?
Sure, thank you.
Yeah,
Sure.
let me fix that network issue what I'm facing right now, okay? Bye.
Okay.